We have a zoo in this house. Can the Roomba i3 actually work over a long period of time and it self empties? Does the bag get full right away or can you wait a couple weeks? There are a lot of questions that I had before I actually picked this up. So many pets that we literally had these pet hair tumbleweeds blowing around all the time, and I was always having to sweep them up. And it really just got lazy and they would just kind of sit around on the floor. And with this, it automatically takes care of those little tumbleweeds. I don't have to get the vacuum out, I don't have to get the broom out. Is it going to actually be able to detect and map the room accurately, and is it going to get close to the corners? And it does. It gets right up next to the corners. It detects where toys are that pets have left around, or their beds, or even the pets themselves. If they get in the way, it can navigate and get right up next to the corners and even go under furniture. Literally saves hours of time. It gets the job done better because they're relentless. They don't give up, they don't take breaks, they don't get lazy like me. And so definitely worth having. I used to think they were kind of gimmicky. I didn't really see the point in having them. And it's kind of fun. You can give him a name, and then he's your little robot butler that goes around and sweeps for you. You can set him on a schedule in the app. And the bags, honestly, whenever he self-disposes of everything, whenever the vacuum, sorry, who just self-disposes, actually take about 2 months before you need to replace that bag inside the vacuum bag. So it actually will only need to be replaced a few times a year, and the cost is not really that much to replace those, and it's definitely worth it in the time saved. So this would be a really good investment for anyone who's tired of cleaning up all the little pet hair and pet dander and all the tumbleweeds tumbling around. This would be awesome for someone that is just looking to automate their cleaning schedule and reduce the amount of cleaning to where they really don't need to vacuum anymore. This will definitely help with that. It does come with an additional vacuum bag, it does come with instructions on setting it up, but it's pretty simple. Just put the dock in a space where the robot's going to have lots of room to dock itself, and then plug it into the wall and install the app and set your schedule, and it will go around and map your room exactly as kind of like a visual map, and then it will know exactly where to clean, and it will adapt and change over time. If you put stuff in the way, then it will obviously adapt. If you move your furniture around, it will adapt. So definitely recommend this to a friend or family member. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day.